Hey guys, this is how to scan apps in Google Play Store. First thing that you will do, guys, is just simply open up your Google Play Store on your device. And from here on the top right corner of the screen, you should be able to see here your profile. As you can see over here, beside the notification bell, and just simply tap on it. And from here, guys, just simply tap on Manage Apps and Device over here. And after that, just simply tap on No Harmful Apps Found at the very top of the screen. And from here, you should be able to see here Scan. So guys, just simply tap on Scan in order for you to use the scan feature of a Google Play Store. And after that, you'll be able to scan apps. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.